Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the section A, B, and C of the first chapter, My Body. Okay, so before doing the question answer part, I must insist you to go through the book, to read the chapter, and if you haven't read the chapter at least once or twice, I will suggest you to pause the video and read the chapter first. Okay, we had also done some revision work on previous class about each and every topics. Okay, so I will advise you to go through the book, read the chapter, learn all the diagrams, important points, do you know section, everything. Okay, thereafter you can watch this video. Okay, so now for now I am going to discuss the fill in the blanks, match the following, and tick the correct option. Other two segments, that is the short answer questions and the long answer questions, will be discussed on the next class, and a typed, or you can say PDF file for the notes and those answers will be given on the next class. Okay, so today we are relying on the handwritten notes. So starting our discussion. Okay, so windpipe connects nose. So windpipe connects nose to which part in mammals? As we discussed in breathing system, that windpipe connects nose to lungs. Okay, so its correct answer should be yes, lungs. Okay, if it is not visible now, I will give it to you. These answers will be given to you on a piece of paper. I will write it after some time. Okay, you should focus here right now. Don't worry about the notes. Okay, I will give you. Of the two jaws only, which jaw moves? Okay, you can feel your upper jaw and lower jaw and just say your name. Yes, what you have observed, which jaw moves, upper or lower? Very good. Only lower jaw moves. Okay, the backbone protects. Okay, this is important question, and I had told you when I was discussing the skeletal system part that every delicate organ is protected by our skeletal system. Okay, either a rib cage, the rib cage protects lungs. Okay, rib cage protects lungs. These limbs protects the bone marrow. Skull protects our brain, and the backbone protects spinal cord. Okay, so if you don't have book, then I will advise you to go through the link provided for the previous class, and you can find an attachment file there. In that attachment file we have uploaded the PDF of this chapter. Okay, so the backbone protects the spinal cord. Fish can feel waves with the help of their, as we discussed in previous class, that fish have an additional sense organ, and that is their lateral line. Okay, with the help of this lateral line, they can feel waves produced in water. So its answer should be lateral line. Okay, the snake uses its, here it is a picture of snake, and in the discussion part we discussed that its long tongue helps them to feel and smell. This tongue helps the snake to feel and smell. Okay, here it has been given. So which organ is used by the snakes to feel or touch the small objects? They use their tongue. Okay, the eye is connected to the brain by the which nerve? It has been given here. Okay, the eye is connected by brain with the help of optic nerve. Which nerve it is? Optic nerve. Okay, OPTIC, optic nerve. So in case if you are unable to see this, I am giving you the answer here. Okay, there are total 6 questions and I am providing you 6 answers. Okay, so you can pause the video and take it down. Okay, this is the answer section. Now moving to the second one, match the following. Okay, there are 2 parts, section A and section B. Part 1, column A and column B. In first column we have elbow, wrist, hip, femur and skull, and in second column we have longest bone, 8 flat bones, hinge joint, ball and socket joint and gliding joint. Okay, so as we do know that in match the following we have to pair them up, which are correct, which matches with the another pair. Okay, the elbow has hinge joint. Okay, and which kind of joint is there in our wrist? Yes, it is gliding joint. Gliding joint is there in our wrist. In hip we have ball and socket joint. Femur is the longest bone, and which is the smallest bone in our body? The correct answer should be stirrup. Okay, and skull is made up of 8 flat bones. Our skull is made up of 8 flat bones. Okay, now if you are unable to see, I have written here instead: elbow, hinge joint, wrist, gliding joint, hip, ball and socket joint, femur, longest, and skull, 8 flat bones. Okay, you can find it out. Okay, moving to the third part. Tick the correct option. Okay, the joint in the shoulder is an example of, yes, it is an example of ball and the socket joint. So this is the correct option. Okay, I think so that you can recognize it now. The framework of bones that protects our heart and lung is known as spinal cord. No. Spinal cord, no. It is a skull, no. Skull is present to protect the brain, but in question we have heart and lung. The rib cage, yes, it should be the correct answer, the rib cage. And the pivot joint, actually no. Light enters the eye through the, actually While discussing the section of eye, we told that light enters through the cornea. This is the front part of our eye, and light enters through the cornea. Okay, so what should be the correct option, students? Light enters the eyes through the pupil. No. C. Retina. No. Iris. No. Cornea. Okay. Cornea should be the correct answer. The part of ear which helps in maintaining balance of our body. Okay. It is external ear. No. External ear is just for focusing the sound. Okay, the external ear, suppose that this is our external, it helps to direct the sound into the middle ear. It consists of eardrum, as we discussed, and 3 bones, and this inner ear used to maintain the balance of the body. Okay, so which part of ear helps in maintaining balance of our body? The correct answer is the inner ear. Okay, so that is for today, dear friends. I hope you will try to find out the question answer part by yourself. Try to find out by yourself. In the next class we will discuss the question answer of chapter 1 sections C. We have discussed now section D and E, the short and the long answer questions. Okay, and if you don't have book, then please visit the website of our school. You will get there in previous lecture. Okay, thank you.